In this video, I'm going to show you how to repair stamped concrete. And what I'm going to be using is a water-based color to basically stain the stamped concrete. Now the stamped concrete is aged. It didn't really have very good color in the steps, so I thought this would be a great option. Now guys, I've done this many times. I've repaired stamped concrete successfully, and it does last. This product has performed in the Canadian environment, and we dip down to -20, -30, and into the +30s in the summer. The product I'm using is Proline Ez-tique Antique Color Wash, and this Chapman pump sprayer. Now I recommend adding 1 cup of powder to 1500 milliliters of water and shake and stir. You can also mechanically mix it. The color stain settles into the low spots of the texture, allowing a natural appearance. An even coverage while spraying is imperative. You can add a little bit of extra color into the low areas of the texture where it's heavily impressioned. This is the Proline color chart. I use the rock gray color in this video. Also, check out my website, theartofconcrete.ca. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and also tap notifications so that you guys can get notified of the next video that we do.